This video right here is a tutorial video that you can actually use to go on to using this platform right now called Elaiio to actually start promoting your CPA marketing offers and start earning similar amount to how I actually made right here with CPAGrip. So make sure you do watch this video right here to the end and actually learn this exact same strategy, because this is actually going to be amazing right now. You can actually use this right here to promoting your CPA marketing offers and earning similar cash right now to how I made right there. And without much introduction, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first things first, you want to understand what this tool is actually all about. And this particular platform called the Elaiio is actually an AI tool that you can use to go on to creating AI videos from just text. You could build customized AI videos with a presenter in minutes without using a camera, studio, or a green screen. You can actually come right here and generate a video at scale right here, which is hassle free, and you can actually see examples of videos that you can generate with this AI tool. So if I come right here and play this video right now, take a look at this.
Welcome to Elaiio. Have you ever imagined being able to create amazing videos with real people? Now with the help of AI, you can create engaging videos with the real presenters in minutes just from text.
So you can actually see how that actually looks like right now, and you can just simply go to creating similar kinds of images right now or videos right now with the help of this AI tool. But before you do that, guys, you want to just simply go on to taking note of the pricing structure of this AI tool. And if you do click on this pricing right here, you'll be brought to this page where you can go on to seeing the pricing plans of this AI tool. And you can see right now that you do gain access to the free plan, the basic, the advanced, and the custom plan right here. You could see the respective amount for each plan right now, and you could also go on to checking out the features of each plan right here. And these are actually the features right now that can actually help you determine which of the plans you can actually go on to registering for. And if you successfully do register for any plan right now, you should log into your account and be brought to a dashboard similar to this. As you can see right now, you could go on to creating your videos right now from a template. You could create your videos right now starting from an avatar. You could create your videos from a storyboard. You could actually start from the URL and actually create the videos from a PowerPoint file or a PDF right now. But I'm going to be using the AI storyboard right now. If I do click on this right now, I can just simply go into clicking on get started, go on to selecting the template which I want to use right now, and do click on create video. Right now you can see my video generation is actually in progress. And right now, guys, as you can see, I'm being brought to this page. I can actually go on to editing or selecting the particular section I want to show right now for this particular page or this particular scene. If I want to use this particular page right now, I can actually do insert that. Right here, I'm going to go on to inserting a heading right now. And for me to actually do that, guys, you want to make sure you do go on to having a particular text which you want to convert to video right now. And you can actually use this particular AI called ChatGPT to help you generate that right now. And you can see right now, I actually asked ChatGPT to write a simple script for a video about TikTok and also include a section directing my audience to the link in the video description to install the application. And you can see ChatGPT actually came up with some cool text right now, or a cool script for that particular video. You can actually go on to using this strictly right now. And this is actually also going to include a section which is actually a call to action directing individuals to go onto the description of the video to go on to maybe subscribing or downloading the TikTok application and using that on their device right now. So once you actually do this right there, because you want to make sure you're actually writing a particular content right here about the CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. So if I do head on to any CPA marketing platform such as CPAGrip, I go on to logging into my account and be brought to my dashboard. I can then just simply go on to clicking on offer tools right here and my offers. Then I can just simply filter my offers to any demographic of my choice. Supposing I want to use the United States right now, if I do keep on scrolling, I will be able to see a lot of AI or a lot of offers which I could go on to promoting right now. And supposing, guys, I want to just simply promote this offer right now, which is for my leads to actually go on to installing the TikTok application. You can see right now for every successful lead which I do get to this offer, I do get paid $4.71. So which is why you want to just simply use this particular AI called ChatGPT to go on to generating a script for that offer, and you could see ChatGPT did a good job. So right now guys, I'm just going to go on to copying this particular text right now for this particular title. If I copy that right here, I'm going to head on to the Elaiio and paste that in right here as the heading. So I'm going to also go on to this insert speech text right here, and I'm going to go on to maybe copying the text which I want this AI to actually go on to saying right now. If I copy that, I'm going to head back to this platform and paste that in right there. And once that is done, I can add in a new scene, select this particular section which I want to show for that scene right there, and actually do go on to editing that to my preference also. So I'm just going to delete this scene right now and do go on to clicking on convert to slide. And if I do this right here guys, my video page will actually be created, of which I can actually go on to editing this page right now. I could go into this avatar section right now and actually filter the avatars right here, or select an avatar. You can see that there are actually numerous kinds of avatars which you could go on to using right now on this particular platform. So keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see a lot of avatars which you could use. Supposing I want to use this one right now, I could just simply select this, and in a matter of some seconds you could see that this avatar is actually going to change to that. You can see that right now. So you could also go into adding text, adding elements, uploading files which you want to use for this particular section or this particular scene, and actually do go on to designing this scene based on your preference right now. And once you're done, you could select the aspect ratio right now, but you want to leave this on 16:9 if the video is actually for videos like you are actually watching right now, maybe YouTube normal videos. If you're actually creating videos for stuff like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, select the 9:16, and the 1:1 is actually for square videos. You can actually do see this section right here where you could actually go on to selecting the accent which you want your AI to actually do use to say speaking right now. You could also go on to maybe editing the text right here which you want your AI to actually go on to saying. And once you're done with that guys, just simply click on render, and you can just simply click on start rendering and go on to downloading this particular scene right here, or this particular video on your device. So once that video has been downloaded, you then want to head on to social media platforms out there like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter to actually upload that particular video. And since you are actually having a call to action in that video directing people to the description of the video to click on the link right there to register for that application, or sign up for that application, or install that application, you want to make sure that that link to that CPA marketing offer which you actually have right here is in the description of that video right now. And if you put that in, for as many people that do watch that video and go to clicking on the link in the description, it's actually going to drive them to that my CPA marketing offer, of which if they do complete that offer by installing that application and running that on their device, I do get paid a cool commission of $4.71 for every successful lead. So you want to just simply do that right now and start getting traffic to that. You will also go on to targeting Facebook related groups to that and actually use that also. You could go on to YouTube to actually go on to uploading that video right now. So if you do upload that video on YouTube right here, you want to make sure that the link is also in the description of that video, so people can actually do go on to clicking on that link, completing that offer, and you do get paid. So you could utilize this strategy right now to promote your CPA marketing offers and start earning similar amount to how I actually earned right here with CPAGrip. So that's it for now. If this video was helpful to you, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.